Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a postcard and add shapes to our image to make it look like this. Well, this tutorial will be divided into two parts and this is part 1 of the tutorial. As you can see, this is the pic we edited in the previous tutorial. Now, to make a postcard, press Ctrl plus N and go to Art and Illustrations and select Postcard option. Once selected, click on Create to create a postcard document. Now a blank postcard document is created. So we have to move this image to the postcard. Just drag and drop this image to the blank postcard, and to scale this image use shortcut Ctrl plus T to transform the dimensions of the image. To keep the height and width of the image intact, make sure that this link is enabled. Now slowly start dragging the image until it fits in the postcard's dimensions. Our postcard is ready now. To add shapes, go to this icon below cursor icon in the Photoshop and long press it to see the available shapes that we can add to our image. Let's add ellipse to our image. So tap on ellipse and draw the oval shape of the ellipse on the image. Once done drawing, press enter. And now if you want to change the color, go to the properties tab on the right and select on the color bar. Now if you want to choose some different color, press on the hue slider and select any color from the hue slider. Now to transform it, again press Ctrl plus T and scale it in the way you want. If you want to extend it, or if you want to shorten it, and then move it to the bottom like this. After placing it correctly, press enter. To make one more ellipse, instead of repeating the same process, right click on the ellipse layer and select duplicate layer to duplicate the same shape. Select on the duplicate layer and change the color. So just to show you that the duplicate layer looks like this, I've put it upside. Now just change the color and make it a lighter shade. After changing the color, again place it to the same place. To reduce the size, press Ctrl plus T to scale the image once again. Select the ellipse 1 layer to reduce the opacity. Go to the opacity drop down and slide the opacity to almost half. After sliding the opacity to half, as you can see, the larger ellipse looks little opaque, and that's what we wanted for this image. Now to make a circle, again select the ellipse tool and press shift key to make a circle. If you leave the shift key, it will again become an oval. So hold it down until you make the complete circle. After making the circle, you can again change the color and move it to any place you want. But as in this postcard, I don't need a circle, I will delete the layer. So after deleting the layer, this is our postcard. That's just how we wanted. Well, that's it for this tutorial, guys. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a star. Stay tuned. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.